Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to see Microsoft Excel. Okay. First of all, you should know how many ways are there to create a Microsoft Excel. First of all, we have to go to the Start button. Here we can go to the Excel. This is a method number 1 and method number 2. In your keyboard, Window and R. When you're pressing, this is a run box. Run box will come here. You have to type EXCL Excel when you're typing and just press enter. This is the second type and the third type. Start. So in this place you can search Excel. So these are the ways to open the MS Excel document, means to start the Microsoft Excel. Okay. Now, my dear students, when we see this Excel is consist of rows and columns. See, this horizontal one is called row, vertical is called column. Okay, this horizontal is called row and the vertical is called column. Okay, so this is an Excel sheet. In your 14th chapter, okay, in your 14th chapter, first of all, they given formatting a number. Example, formatting number means, here I am typing 12.5678, 57.6589. Means if you see here is a 4 digit. After the decimal point, it is 4 digit. In this cell, if you want a numeric form or dollar form or percentage form, yes, we can able to make. So just click the cell and in a home tab, in a number group, here you can able to see general option. Okay, general option is there. Here you can able to see so much of options. Okay, how you want to be, how the cell have to reflect the data. So just select the cell here. We can able to see. Just click it now. Now this is a number, correct? So select the number. After the point there is a 2. Decimal place I am keeping 3. Now press OK. Now what is there? 3 digit. If I click and drag, means whatever we are going to enter the point value, it will come in only 3 digit. If you want 4 digit, you may add, or 5 digit you may add. Now see here. So this is what? So this is a formatting a number. Okay, this is a formatting a number. Next one, formatting a text. Example, here I am mentioning class. So here is a class. This class text formatting you are knowing well. What formats we can do? Bold, italic, underline. If you want double underline, yes, you may give double underline. Font style, Times New Roman, or the size. If you want to change the color, here is an option. You may change the color. Okay, so this all are the text formatting. Okay, this all are the text formatting. Now we see how we are changing the color. We see changing the font size. Here is a option. If you want, we may increase the size. Means I am going according to the order from your book. Okay, bold, italic, underline, we done. Now alignment. What is meant by alignment? If you see in a cell, the text, the number is in a right alignment. Okay, and the text is in a left alignment. Example, kindly notice here. CL. See, text is in a left alignment. If I type only 2, number is in a right alignment. So this thing you have to remember always. Okay, so just click the cell. Here alignment tab is a center. Okay, sorry, center. Now it became center alignment. If you want right alignment, left alignment. And I hope you are knowing the shortcut. Control E, sorry. Okay, so you can use a shortcut, else you may use this all. Okay, understanding. So this is the alignment of the cell. Okay, now my dear students, next one, text orientation. Okay, text orientation is there. You may feel, Arey, what is meant by text orientation? Now kindly say, this is a cell. Okay, I am going to make just left alignment only. Okay, I am going to just make left alignment. Now here you can able to see it is on the left side. If you want to make it as a orientation, okay, if you want to make text orientation, so in a home tab, okay, in a home tab, just a while my dear students. So right click, format cells. Okay, okay, my dear, text orientation we can see in the next class. Now adding a border, just select the cell. Okay, here you can able to see border option in a font. Just click. If you want, apply all border. See here, just I click till here, right click, all border. Now we can able to see the borders in each cell. Okay, you can able to see the borders in each cell. Now before I told you text orientation. Now just click here in alignment tab. Here you can able to see text orientation. Okay, just click it. Okay, now when we are clicking here, see kindly in a home tab, here is the alignment, here is the option, just one click. When I click here, you can able to see the way, means here I am just adjusting how much I want. So when I selected here 45 degree and I press OK, see that means we can see in another sheet, name, class, section. So now I selected this cell in alignment, just to click. So here is a orientation. Now just to drag. Now see here. So this is the orientation. This is called what? Text orientation. Okay, this is called text orientation. Adding border we seen. Now inserting a chart. Okay, my dear students, already you know chart is a pictorial form used to represent the data. Okay, with help of the chart we can able to understand. Means we can able to understand the things very clearly. Means instead of explaining a theoretical form, if you are using the chart, we can able to collect the data. Example, if okay, India versus South Africa. Okay, chart score card. Now we can able to see here. Here is a chart. Okay, when we are seeing this chart, we can able to understand what is the actual concept. We can able to understand it very clearly. Okay, in a first year, okay, 20. In second year, 30. Means it is growing. It is a loss or profit. We can able to understand. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Next period, next video class, we can see the how we are going to use the chart. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching.